1729 runway 36, line up on the way.
Runway 36, line up on the way, order for 1729 now. Fly Nippon 1776, GCA landing.
Fly Nippon 1776, Nagatama, turn right Echo 2, contact ground 121 decimal 8.
Echo 2, ground 128, Fly Nippon 1776.
Wind 350 at 4, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Runway 36, clear for takeoff, order for 1729. Tower, Ruki 881 ready.
TK 881 Nagatama, hold the short of runway 36, number 2 departure.
Ruki 881, hold short runway 36.
Nippon 475, departure loading, runway 36, clear to land, wind 050 at 4, after landing, turn right to Echo 2 is no delay.
Runway 36, clear to land, after landing, pick up Echo 2 immediately, Echo 4 to deck.
Thank you.